Elkhart Brass presentation at Kota Minyak. Elkhart Brass is the industry's most experienced manufacturer of innovative firefighting and fire protection equipment. Since 1902, we have been manufacturing products used in virtually every aspect of firefighting. Our product can be found in fire departments, building systems, and industrial firefighting applications around the world. PT Kota Minyak is currently authorized distributor of Elkhart Brass within territory of Indonesia since December 27, 2008 for 2 years in review. I'm going to show you the certificate of appointment from Elkhart Brass to Kota Minyak. Next, we are going to discuss about application of Elkhart Brass in multiple scope of industries. In the next few slides, we will find the usage of Elkhart Brass and pinpoint whereabout these products should be placed for firefighting and fire protection. Scope of industry includes jetty terminal. Likewise, Balikpapan has pilot jetty at Semayang for PHKT. Refinery in Balikpapan, we have Pertamina Refinery Unit 5 Midstream Transport. We have the offshore midstream transport using pipelines. Offshore, we have a few offshores in Balikpapan area. And tank farm, we also have tank farm in the refinery places. First of all, let's discuss the usage of Elkhart Brass product in jetty terminal. So the fires accounted for 41% of the incident at terminals, resulting in loss of life from 1970 to 1999. The cost is over 50,000 US dollar. So the NFPA 30 applies to jetties and piers handling flammable or combustible liquids. Fixed monitor layout on the jetty depends upon the size and complexity of the pier. But 4 monitors should flow at least 500 gallons per minute with a concentrate capacity to last at least 30 minutes during a worst case incidents. Here is whereabout the Elkhart Brass fixed monitor should be installed, and also the remote control RCM, as you can see in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 near the tank farm, near the pilot jetty to the tanker ship, and near the pipeline over here. The location of the monitor should factor in the monitor range, prevailing wind direction and speed, site conditions, and ability of personnel to get to the fire equipment in an emergency. Next, we will see the recommended product options from Elkhart Brass in jetty terminal. First, we have fixed fire monitors, waters or foam. That includes Copperhead, Python, Stingray, and Spitfire. Manual elevated monitors, we have Python and Spitfire. Portable cards, we have Ram and Stinger. Remote control monitor system. At hazardous rating, we have the electric and hydraulic. And monitor accessories, we have butterfly waffle valve, the pressure gauge, and stream shapers. Next, we are going to look at refinery. As you can see in Balikpapan now, they enlarged the refinery unit 5. So there will be more fire protection system need to be installed in here. So oil refineries, as we know, play a critical role in the transformation of crude oil to more useful, valuable products such as gasoline, and paraffin. And many operate continuously, processing several 100,000 barrels of crude oil every day. According to the NFPA, there are nearly 200 refinery fires each year, and it costs about 32 million US dollar. Safe fleets, or in this case, Kota Minyak, representing Elkhart Brass, offers a variety of practical and cost-effective products designed to solve the challenges that modern fire protection engineering presents. Whether you are using fire water or foam, require local or remote system controls, we have configurable systems to suit your needs. Here's an example whereabout the Elkhart Brass product shall be installed. For number 1, it is well-planned fixed system. Number 2, it is portable monitor. And number 4, as we can see, it is monitor accessories. And number 6, it is proportional systems. Includes point injection, either it is single or multi. A fire in one part of refinery can endanger other sections of the plant as well. Even the most well-planned fixed system may not provide adequate protection, and comprehensive fire protection dictates designing for 2 major fires occurring simultaneously anywhere on the site. Readily available portable monitors may be relocated by personnel as required. As we know, Pertamina Refinery Unit 5 sits side by side to the city. Therefore, it is very important, very crucial to make sure they have a well-equipped fire system and protection, such that the people living in the city can have a safe sleep at night. Next, we'll look up the midstream transport. That means carrying the gas or the oil through the pipelines across the oceans or land. There are more than 190,000 miles of liquid petroleum pipelines and 2.4 million miles of natural gas pipeline in the United States alone. The U.S. networks of natural gas transmission pipeline contains over 11,000 delivery points and 5 receive points. The problem about the pipelines is corrosive and third-party damage to equipment. That means by someone intently damage the pipeline. In 2010, a natural gas pipeline fire in California resulted in 8 deaths and a wall of fire more than 1,000 feet high. That's about 300 meters. So in the pipeline area, we should install elevated monitor in here and here. The second one is remote control system, RCM. We can install here such that we can monitor it from the control room without ever going to this place because of the safety. The third is monitor accessories over here, and the fourth is fixed system nozzles along the pipelines. Elevated monitors are fixed atop vertical risers to achieve a satisfactory angle and reach fires that might be difficult to fight from ground level. As the monitor is elevated, support structures as bearings should be used to compensate for the reaction force of the water being discharged. Intake bases of monitor accessories secure the monitor to a foundation and provide a 90-degree redirection for water supply lines running parallel to the ground. Next, the offshore. We have a few offshore like Yakin offshore for PHKT and a few offshore at PHM like Maera, Yani, that belongs to Apexindo. So the fires at offshore oil and gas facilities can result in worker injuries and lost production time, with an average operating cost of $250,000 per day. That's a lot of money. Fast response to incidents is critical. Elkhart Brass ERCM systems provide full control of your entire fire protection system from a remote location using an intuitive touchscreen interface. That's the benefits of technology. We can sit inside a room and control the fire from far away. Our products are UL, FM, CE, or ATEX certified as appropriate to meet regional design and safety standards. Here is where about the Elkhart Brass products shall be installed. Let's see what 2 represents. 2 is RCM, remote control monitor system, over here, here, and here. And the 4th is master stream nozzles. We should install in here. And number 5 is the industrial handline nozzle. Shall be installed in here and here. Marine equipments are particularly harsh for equipment. Marine environments are particularly harsh for equipment. Corrosion is accelerated due to salt concentration and temperature fluctuation. Nozzle made of corrosion-resistant brass like the SM200 2000B master stream nozzle and marine handline nozzle for industrial handline nozzle are specifically constructed to withstand these conditions, maintaining reliability and maximizing equipment life. Next, we'll discuss about tank farm. That is, more tank farms are being built by the RDMP for Refinery Unit 5 Pertamina at Balikpapan currently. Protecting your oil storage and handling assets is vital to ensure continued profitable business operations safely and securely. On average, a fire occurs once every 7 days in LP, low pressure, bulk storage facilities, and accounts for a loss of nearly $1 million in structures and equipment. Elkhart Brass monitor nozzle systems, RAM, portable monitor, and fixed elevated monitor conforms to NFPA requirements and serve to quickly flood your bulk storage areas with up to 2,000 gallons per minute of water or foam. Here is an example whereabout the Elkhart Brass product should be installed at the tank farm. So the number 2 is manual elevated monitor, and number 4 is remote control monitor system, RCM, and number 6 is scene lighting. So we put lighting such that we can see at night when there is fire occurring. An RCM system is an excellent way to remotely actuate, monitor, and control fire protection equipment distributed over large areas like a tank farm from a fixed control location or wirelessly in the field, combined with scenes lighting and video feeds. A single operator can easily direct water stream to fight one or several fires simultaneously. And for areas where an electric drive may pose a hazard, hydraulically driven systems are available. So there is no need to be heroes when we can use technology to do the thing. So you see this number 6, it functions as a CCTV to monitor your tank farm and report back to you in video feed, such that you can direct your RCM to extinguish the fire. We also have the manual elevated operator that can go up high to extinguish the fire. Okay, let's recap. So the list of major Elkhart Brass products include fixed fire monitors or foam or elevated fire monitors, portable cart or portable monitors, remote control monitor systems, lightweight monitors for truck and foam trailers, monitor accessories, master stream nozzles, handline nozzles, fixed system nozzles, or hydrant valves or motor operated valves, industrial valves, swivel fittings, appliances, wrenches, proportional systems, and scene lighting. And now we are going to review the fixed fire monitor from Elkhart Brass, and we will see a few products such as Copperhead is 1250 gallon per minute flow rate. The pressure rated is 200 psi or 14 bar. It has wide range of flange sizes available, corrosion resistant, dual hand wheel, and so on. And we have the Python series. It is pressure rated at 200 psi. We have the Stingray. It is 1250 gallon per minute. Pressure is 200 psi. As you can see the picture in here, we can use it in jetty terminal, refinery, and the offshore. And for Copperhead, we can use in jetty terminal, refinery, pipeline, midstream pipeline transport, in offshore and tank farm. We also have Spitfire 29911EL and 839402RC, freestanding up to 20 feet at 500 gallon per minute. So this is the application key. Next, we will look up the portable carts or portable monitors. We have the 8393FW with 750 gallon per minute flow rate, pressure rated at 200 psi, flow efficient, built-in with 4-inch manifold. The monitors have stop position at 45 degrees angle on either side of center and 25 degrees angle above horizontal. Liquid fuel pressure gauge and optional hose racks. We can use it in refinery and midstream transport. And this one we have 8393 TW. It is 1000 gallon per minute. Pressure rated is 200 psi. And over here we have ERCM. This system includes electric monitor, ERCM, and nozzle, monitor motor control or MMCP. Operator control panel is OCP. Option includes radio frequency controls and touchscreen human machine interface HMI console. This is the HMI. This is the monitor motor control panel. And this is the electric monitor, ERCM, and the nozzle. Includes the Spitfire and everything. So let's review the basic components of a simple ERCM system. So this is the remote OCP. So this is where you sit and monitor. And then you have the MMCP installed near the field. And this is the RCM with nozzle. And this will spit out foam or water or fire or to extinguish the fire. So the ERCM system can range from a single monitor with remote controls to a network distribution up to 16 monitors. The entire network may be operated at local panels or remotely via panels, wireless controllers, or a centralized HMI console. Operating commands are sent from a PLC inside the operator control panel to the appropriate monitor motor control panel, MMCP. The MMCP provides the electrical signals required to drive the horizontal and vertical synchronous motors, nozzle spray pattern actuator, and water inlet valve actuator. Many customization options are available. The ERCM case study. The challenge a system was needed to train a fire protection crew and exercise all system components including discharging water while protecting against accidental foam release AFFF into environmentally sensitive waterways. The solution is the system involves specialized control programming. The customized controls provided a training mode that effectively blocked AFFF discharge while allowing full access to and operation of all other components of the system. The fire crew can perform all the necessary training exercise without harming the environment. So this is the foam tank, and this is the monitor, and then this is the spit out the foam. Over here we have lightweight monitor. This includes lightweight monitor for trucks and foam trailers. EXM monitor series include the Sidewinder with 515 to 700 gallon per minute. Flow rate recommended nozzle is 6000 series. We have the Cobra, and we have the Scorpion, the Skystream, and the Magnum. The difference is the gallon per minute. The difference is the flow rate. It gets larger until 5,000 gallon per minute. And also here we have the accessories for control option, EXM control options. We have the joystick controller, we have the panel mount controller, handheld controller with docking station, OEM interface module, position feedback display, EXM can stow module, unibody valve with E3F electric actuator. It is 10 to 30 VDC fault direct current, and this is the detailed spec for EXM control options. and it can be used in refinery. Vulcan, it is 1250 gallon per minute. The pressure rated is 200 psi and under 15 inch wide, requiring just 16 inch of clearance. So we can fit that thing into a tight space. We have the Scorpion, it is 2000 gallon per minute. It is lightweight, so you can carry it. Okay, next. The monitor accessories. We have support bearing, automatic ball drip valve, manual operated butterfly waffle valve. We have the pressure gauge, stream shapers, such that you can adjust which shape of the stream that you want. We have the 90-degree angle intake base for elevated monitor. So you insert here and then you throw up here. Next is master stream nozzle. We have RAN 2.5 inch inlet, 500 gallon per minute, 6000 series selectable gallonage, extreme automatic gallonage, select O stream with 350 and to 1000 gallon per minute, select O flow, select educting nozzle, extreme and hydrofoam, master stream foam expansion tube, and many more. And over here we have handline nozzles. We have the Chief with 15 to 350 gallon per minute. The size is 1 inch, 1.5 inch and 2.5 inch. Select O-matic. We have the Phantom. So there's a wide option of selection that you can make according to your requirement. Industrial electrical fork nozzle. I think this is to avoid fog. Marine nozzles, select overflow nozzle, handline foam expansion nozzle, tubes. Next, we have the fixed system nozzle, unibody, ball valve, and we have the electrical butterfly valve, 88 gate valve, and X86 gate valve. Over here we have the industrial valve, field adjustable, pressure reducing, pressure restricting, angle valve. 348 series swivel joints. So basically Elkhart Brass has a lot of accessories to support the main tools, the main equipment. B series ball valve, WYE, adjustable hand hydrant wrench, universal spanner. Proportioning systems. The foam used for fighting is a mixture of foam concentrate, water and air used to blanket a full surface. As you can read by yourself. To separate the ignition source from the fuel, suppress flammable vapors and cool adjacent materials. So we can use AccuMax single point injection, and then we have AccuMax multi-point injection. We also have scene lighting, also function as a video, spectra hazard, spectra as a lighting, twist like tripod, and then you can put a camera inside here to record the field or the event. Give you a little update about the new stock list of Elkhart brass at Kota Minyak. So the first item is fixed fire monitor model Copperhead 859302 with a flow 1,250 gallon per minute with outlet 2.5 inch NHT male material brass, inlet 4 inch ANSI 150 RF flank. It is 7 set, and then we have the nozzle with model CJ Bravo, flow 500 gallon per minute, 7 sets. Y-piece model B Bravo 100 Alpha, 33 pieces. Wrench universal spanner model Tango 464. Chip nozzle 2.5 inch, 250 gallon per minute. Model 4000 strip 28 with pistol grip, 10 piece. Chip nozzle 1.5 inch and 150 gallon per minute with pistol grip, model 4000-13. SFL OG flow 40 60 90 125 inlet 1.5 NHT material, aluminum alloy 10 pieces. SFL Bravo George 5 pieces, flow 40 60 95 and 125. Foam eductor model 240-125, 5 pieces. And this is our experience, the sales record from 2016 until now 2020 at Kota Minyak. We are using third party to reach the end user. In year 2020, we have PT Consuma Indonesia with the end user Pertamina More 2, the second, with the scope of work 9-unit portable foam and water monitor capacity 500 gallon per minute with material supply, portable foam monitor RAM XD and self-educting nozzle 9-unit. And the second is PT Genoil Putra Pacific with the end user is Chevron Pacific Indonesia. The scope of work is fire hydrant and fire monitor. Material supply is fire hydrant and fire monitor. And the third party, the next one is PT Anugrah Sakti Usaha Mandiri at Pertamina More the 8th. Fire equipment for workplace at More 8 2020. Material supply is fire equipment. Year 2019, PT Enviromed Technology International at Dumai Pertamina Refinery unit, second. The scope of work is gas external refinery unit, the second Dumai. The usage is for the gas external refinery unit, the second at Dumai. The material supply is fire hydrant and fire monitor. Next, PT Surabaya Perkasa Fire Service for Chevron Pacific Indonesia. The scope of work is portable foam monitor and the material supply is portable foam monitor RAM XD and self-educting nozzle 20 unit. At year 2017, PT Politama Propindo as our third party, and the end user is PT Politama Propindo itself. The scope of work is fire nozzle. The material supply is cheap fire nozzle. The next one is year 2016, JGC Indonesia and Kona Consortium JEC for Medco ENP Malacca. The scope of work is Block A gas development project. The material supply is for fire water system. And then we reach the conclusion of Elkhart brass firefighting and protection system. We have seen the scope of industry and we have seen the list of major products. The goal is to ensure the fire safety by design and implementation for client, new stock list, and we have discussed the experience list. For further inquiry, please contact welisunarya@kotaminyak.co.id. You can WhatsApp or call me or visit me at my office. I'm based in Balikpapan, the Kota Minyak headquarters. Thank you for listening.